Welcome to 1495 McClellan Road in beautiful Felton, California. Mamma mia, I love this kitchen. Check out this quartz countertop, the best you could get. Amazing backsplash, stainless steel appliances. This place is amazing. I love those lights. You better check it out before it's gone. This contemporary modern home provides an indoor-outdoor feel, and I love this deck. Wait until you see it at night with LED underneath this railing, and so much space to entertain friends and enjoy the beauty of the California climate. This new estate provides 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom, main house with approximately 1,024 square feet of living space, with a 1-car garage detached with an office on top. Thank you so much for coming on this tour. If you like a tour about this beautiful property, my name is Mario Desantis from Desantis Realty Group, and my phone number is 831-291-0511. And we're gonna have a website for you with a 3D tour, video, photos, description, and so many more information. And I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to smile. Ciao.